Hello everyone, today I would like to talk about the future of AI and what it means for our world. AI has been around for a while, but it's only recently that we've started to see it in action in our daily lives. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI has revolutionized the way we live and work. But what does the future hold for AI? Well, it's exciting to think about, but it also raises some concerns. One of the most significant challenges we face is the ethical implications of AI. As machines become more intelligent, they can make decisions that were once made by humans. This raises questions about who has the final say and who is responsible if something goes wrong. Another concern is the impact of AI on jobs. As machines become more capable, many jobs that were once done by humans may become obsolete. This could lead to job losses and a rise in unemployment rates. However, it's important to remember that AI can also create new job opportunities in fields such as data analysis and programming. When it comes to healthcare, AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we diagnose and treat diseases. Medical professionals can use AI algorithms to analyze large amounts of medical data and make more accurate diagnoses. AI can also be used to develop new treatments and therapies by studying patient data. Overall, the future of AI is promising, but it's important to approach it with caution. We need to address the ethical concerns and work to create a future that benefits everyone. By doing so, we can harness the power of AI to improve our lives and create a better world for all.